Number 10, we are dividing two decimals. The first thing that I see is I have a positive and I have a negative number right here. So because this is division with different signs, I know that whatever answer I get at the end is going to be a negative number. So let's do this. I'm going to ignore the negative sign for now because I already have in my answer box that my answer will be negative, so I have myself covered there. I'm going to set up my division problem. We have 32.436 divided by negative 4.24. So before I can do this division, we want to make sure we are dividing using a whole number. So we're going to move the decimal point to the right until we have a whole number. So this needs to move 2 times, which means the other decimal point also needs to move 2 times. And that will give me an updated problem where we have 424 on the outside and 3,243.6 on the inside. And we're going to make sure we have a decimal point right above the decimal point inside so that we know where this is supposed to go. And I think this would be a very good time to come up with my list of what I can multiply 424 by. Okay, I have my list to the side. As you can see, these numbers got pretty big, so this was really helpful for me to do so that I didn't have to do so much guessing. So I can see, I'm looking at 3,243 first, and I can see that the highest I can go without going over is when I multiply by 7. So I'm going to put a 7 up here in my answer. That was a weird 7. And I'm going to subtract 2,968. So 13 minus 8 is 5. I'm going to borrow from here. 13 minus 6 is 7. Borrow again. 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay, now I can bring this 6 down. And I can look at my list off to the side, and I see that when I multiply by 6, 2,544 is the closest I can get to 2,756 without going over. So I'm going to put a 6 up here at the top, and I'm going to subtract 2,544. I get 212. And because I already have a decimal point right here, I can add a 0 to the end, so I can continue this. 2,120, I see I have that exact number right here. So I'm going to put 5 up here at the answer, and I can subtract 2,120, and I get 0, and I'm done with my division. So I'm going to put that in my answer box, and I am so thankful that I put this negative sign in here, because if I didn't have that there, I would have forgotten that this is a negative answer. So the answer is negative 7.65.